Ciao, this is Daniel DiTuro. Yams are a healthier alternative to russet potatoes, but they are higher in calories, so eat them in moderation. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F. The ingredients for this recipe are light or dark brown sugar and margarine or butter. Peel the yams, wash them, and slice about 1½ to 2 inches thick. Arrange the yams in an oven-proof baking dish and dot each slice with margarine or butter. Sprinkle the yams with brown sugar. I'm using about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar for 1½ pound of yams. For added variety, you can use maple syrup, cinnamon, nutmeg, or allspice. Add about a 1/4 cup of water to the pan. Tightly cover the pan with aluminum foil and bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until easily pierced with a fork. Cool 10 to 15 minutes before serving. A 4-ounce serving has about 152 calories and 20 milligrams of sodium. Thank you for watching. Buon appetito!